What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Killer B coming at you, man. Hey, I got a box on last week, man. We're gonna open this box, man. We're gonna see what's up in this baby. Hey, I already know, but I'm gonna show you what I got up in here. You know your boy always buying something. Always buying something. But yeah, I went online and I ordered these myself. Yes. Let me get it out of here. Yeah. You see it right there. That's the box, baby. I'm gonna show you the name. That's In the Ridge, baby. In the Ridge boots, man. I got the ventilated boots, y'all. So yeah, I got them in all black. Yeah. I got them my size too. Yeah, I got them my size. So yeah, I'm finna rock these, man. So I got the ventilated because I know the summertime is getting here, and I didn't need the leather ones. I didn't need the all leather at all. I don't know if I'm gonna get the all leather, man, because I saw a guy, Chief Throttles. If you go check out him, man, check out his YouTube page. He did a video on In the Ridge boots. He had some all leather ones, and he got caught in the rain, and his feet got drenched, got soaked. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna get those, but I'm definitely gonna rock these for the summer. Great looking boots. I'm finna get ready to put them on, go meet up with some of the fellas and get a ride in today. But until next time, baby, the next grind, baby, y'all stay up, man. I love y'all. Peace.